Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards in
Hello.
Hello, Love Again. Film by Dr. Garcia Zapata. November 13, 2024 in cinemas worldwide.
Panoorin ang official teaser ng pelikulang Hello Love Again, na sequel ng moving Hello Love Goodbye, nila Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo na mapapanood na sa mga sinihan ngayong darating na November 13. Ngayong linggo ng gabi May 19 ay nagkaroon ng media announcement ang nasabing pelikula kasama sila Catherine at Alden at ang direktor ng pelikula na si Cathy Garcia.
Home of Global Pinoys. For the very first time, Star Cinema and GMA Pictures collaborate for the most awaited continuation of the beloved story of Joy and Ethan.
Tatagpo din ang mga features natin ngayong araw.
Let's make that happen.
Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards in
Hello.
Hello, Love Again. Film by Dr. Garcia Zapata. November 13, 2024 in cinemas worldwide.
Love Again. Please welcome Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo. Joy and Ethan are back for Hello Love Again. Kath, Alden. All right. Please welcome Catherine and Alden. Okay, Direk, can you pose for photos first?
Hello! Direki!
Again, please welcome Direk Cathy Garcia Zampana.
Leo, babe!
Okay, look at the center. Direk.
Na magkakaroon ng sequel to Hello Love Goodbye. So when they told me about it just this year, after I did A Very Good Girl and All, my next assignment talaga supposedly is Elena. But then may mga kailangan pang paghandaan for Elena, and then yan, may mga nangyari, and then naging totoo. Ito na, nandito tayo lahat for Hello Love Again. So it feels very familiar, but at the same time, it's different this time because it's been 5 years, and 5 years is such a long time.
Dami na nangyari.
Yeah, I've changed. I think we all did. Lahat tayo nagbago, and I'm just curious kung ano yung mabibigay namin this time around, because when we shot HLG, I was just 23, and then now I just turned 28. So yung 5 years na yun, ano yung nangyari sa growth namin personally, and of course kung ano naman yung magiging growth when it comes to Ethan and Joy. So ang daming tinatansya pa namin, but then it's an exciting feeling.
Before I go, requesting na mag-sequel kayo.
Yes, we are. Kasi parang, naalala ko nga, hindi ko makalimutan to. Kasi when Hello Love Goodbye was shown in Netflix, parang nung time na, kasi diba sa Netflix, pag mawawala na siya, may leaving soon na nakalagay dun sa film. And then all of a sudden, parang nung aalis na sa Netflix, biglang parang ayaw nila. And then, nagtuloy-tuloy pa rin, I think, until today ba? Meron pa rin Hello Love Goodbye on Netflix. And of course, marami rin sa mga yung mga supporters namin, I'm sure si Kat din, and the support yung mga fans ng film, the actual film. really wants to know what happens next. So, yes, we are aware na andyan lang, parang the clamor is still there. Ngayon lang talaga mas nabigyang bunga yung paghingi nila ng part 2 for this film.
Worth the... Sumabra ba ako sa punchline? Okay, Catherine, go ahead.
It's finally happening.
It is.
Grabe, ngayon lang nagsisink in sa amin actually. Kasi sinabi ko kanina pa, kagabi pa ako kinakabahan. I don't know why. Maybe it's more of excitement and halo-halong emotion. But then seeing everybody here, ramdam na ramdam namin yung support at excitement nyo. And parang yun yung nag-fuel sa amin na makapagsulat ulit sa Ate Carmi. And kami, mag-start na kami mag-shoot soon. You know, it's not gonna be easy, but then here we are. This is so exciting. You know, we thought we already said our goodbyes. But here we are, saying our hellos.
Magaling sila magsulat.
As kapamilya, kapuso, and as you all said kanina, this is a first, a lot of firsts, and excited lang siguro ako. So thank you so much for giving us another opportunity to tell another story and to share continue sharing Ethan and Joy's story, but this time in Canada. Sana po supportahan nyo lahat. We'll see you in cinemas. We'll be back this November, of course. This will be under GMA Pictures and Star Cinema. Let's do it. Directed
Let's
by
go.
Maria Cathy Garcia Molina, Sampana.
The long wait is over. Kasama ako doon. I mean, marami naghintay. Kasama kaming lahat doon. And syempre, I would like to thank, of course, my bosses from GMA, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, Miss Nessa, for you know, letting me do Hello Love Again, of course, to our bosses also in ABS, Sir CLK and Tita Cory, thank you so much. Direk and Kath, na-miss ko kayo. Na-miss ko tong film, Army, Tala. Tala kasi tawag namin sa kanya.
Now I know.
Yung Hazel kasi.
Hindi Hazel.
You know, and, I couldn't be happier today kasi parang this gave me another motivation, you know, yung gigising ka sa umaga na meron kang nilook forward. So I am so excited. I'm very happy that this is happening. For everyone po, sana kung paano nyo sinuportahan yung Hello Love Goodbye, sana makuha din po namin yung supportan yun and more pa, times 2 pa. So, Hello Love Again in cinemas, exclusively in cinemas, November 13, 2024.
I think everyone already has said everything about the sequel, about this new movie, Hello Love Again. I just want to echo what Chris said. I think 3 years ago, yung talks natin, and this is the first actual contract that we entered into with ABS-CBN, itong joint venture for movies. And so umpisa pa lang, linaloko ko na si Carlo, sabi ko, tara, mag-sequel na tayo ng Hello Love Goodbye. Palagi ko siyang linaloko every time may meeting kami, yan yung linaloko ko. Akala ko biro lang. Tapos bigla na lang a month ago or a few weeks ago, biglang sabi niya, tara, gawin na natin yung sequel. So, totoo ba to? So, I'm actually very happy na wala pa tayong ginagawa na joint venture movie because I think this is the best movie that we can begin with. So, again, I'm thankful to Star Cinema and to ABS-CBN and of course to Direk Cathy, Catherine, and Alden. Thank you very much for this opportunity that you gave GMA Pictures, and we're looking forward to more collaborations with them.
Yeah! Wave high, wave high! There you go! Hello! Okay,